better over there. But that's what you're looking at.
If you want to take a picture of standing between Nevada and Arizona at the same time, you could do so. You're gonna cross the crosswalk behind me, make a right turn. There's a bunch of people there. And there's a flag with the gentleman with the base jacket, the flag on the wall over there, indicating you're right between Nevada and Arizona. Once the water gets to that big one of limestone, of calcium carbonate, that's an indication of a flood. That happened in 1983. So the water will go in the big concrete wall behind the dam, called the Arizona Spillway, the shortcut, and I highly recommend you guys go see it. If you walk to the back of the boat, and look carefully left side of the wall, and I mean carefully, you will see in the bottom spillway the 50-foot diameter tunnel. If you're not paying attention and you fall into the spillway, you'll be rolling through a concrete pipe 200 feet, and you're going to come out of that concrete cylinder on the right side of the buoys.